Hello hungry fam and welcome to our channel. It's December and mast thandi bhi badh gayi hai. That means it's the soup season. So today let's try out few soup recipes from Instagram and check if they are a hit or a miss. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. First recipe is a healthy crystal dumpling soup. First, soak 3 to 4 dried red chilies in boiling hot water for 30 minutes. Till then, let's prep for the dumpling. I'm chopping few veggies, which by now you all know it's my therapy. You can use any veggies of your choice. I followed OG video jaise hi. All the credits and detailed recipe you will find in the description box, so do check it out. मैंने cut किया है onion, cabbage, green capsicum and yellow bell pepper. Now for the stuffing, in a pan add oil. Once it's hot, add finely chopped ginger, garlic, onion and carrots. Saute for a minute. Then add capsicum, yellow bell pepper, cabbage and spring onion. Saute again for a minute. Then add crumbled paneer. Mix it in. Now for the seasoning, add soy sauce, black pepper powder and salt. Mix and cook it for 5 minutes. Then keep it aside. Since the dumpling wrapper is healthy, so we are using rice paper. Dip it in water for 10 to 20 seconds. Then place it flat and add the stuffing in the center. Then just fold all the edges like so to make a parcel. जितने dumplings चाहिए उतने बना लो. इतने stuffing से मैंने almost 8 dumplings बनाए. Then add oil in a pan, add the dumplings we made and cook them from both the sides until they are nice and golden. For the soup, we have to make a Thai kind of a paste. In a blender, add soaked chilies, some garlic, onion, coriander and the soaked chili water. Blend into smooth consistency. Then again add oil in a pan. To that add minced garlic and onion slices. Saute until the onion is translucent. Then add the paste we made. मेरा पेस्ट ना काफी मडी ब्राउन कलर का लग रहा है. मे बी द चिली आई यूज्ड उसका कलर इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था. सो आई एडेड 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now add coconut milk and mix it. अभी कलर काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Season it with salt and grate lemon zest into it. Let it simmer and let's serve it hot along with the dumplings. I garnished it with some spring onion greens. Looks delicious and the aroma is very tempting, so let's dig in. Oh my god, I love it. Feels like all the flavors blasted in my mouth. It's so good. I couldn't stop eating it. It's creamy, crunchy and chewy. Literally all textures at once. And ye flavor the kick starts with spice. Then the garlic hits you and finally you taste the coconut which calms it. I will definitely have this flavor bomb meal quite often. Try it yourself to know how good it is. For me, it's a big hit. Next recipe is called rildok, which is a famous Nepali soup. Let's start with boiling few potatoes in a pressure cooker. मैंने 4 whistles होने के बाद बंद किया. Then peel and cool them down. Then add the potatoes one by one in a mortar and pestle. And ये boiled potatoes को हमें कूटना है till you get a sticky and stretchy consistency. Trust me, it was not an easy job. I already have a ligament tear in my right wrist and this definitely worsened it a bit more. Almost 30 to 35 minutes लग गई है कूटने में और ये consistency आया. I am not sure ऐसा ही है, मतलब ये सही है कि नहीं, but my hand has given up, so let's work with this only. Now let's make a spice trildo paste with Timur, that is Szechuan pepper. ये easily कोई भी grocery store या online मिल जाता है. I'll link it below. इसे हमें वापस कूटना है with dried red chilies, ginger and garlic. Once you get a paste like this, add it into a pan with hot oil. Saute for a minute. Then I added onion along with some spring onion ka edges. Then add cubed tomato, pinch of turmeric and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add salt and saute. Now add water. Then we have to make small balls of the mashed potato. For that, oil your palms to avoid the potato from sticking. एकदम हल्के हाथ से random shape के balls बना दो. बिल्कुल pressure नहीं लगाना. Then add them into the water. Mix it carefully. Add salt if required. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now the soup has thickened up. Let's serve it. I garnished it with some coriander leaves. Let's taste it now. Honestly, it looks more of a vegetable as in sabji lag rahi hai rather than a soup to me. But jaise maine ye soup taste kiya, I enjoyed it. Flavors are bang on. It's tangy with a hint of spice. It's actually very light. The potato balls are so airy. It's like I'm eating cotton. So bilkul heavy feel nahi ho raha hai. It's a good wholesome warm bowl of soup yet it's filling. I would highly recommend you to make it. If and only if you're ready to do the mehnat with the potatoes. Meri mehnat was totally worth it. It was also a big hit. Next recipe is a 1-pot noodle soup. So in a pressure cooker, add oil. To that, add ginger, garlic, capsicum and onion. Saute until the onions are translucent. Then add sriracha sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper powder, salt, chili flakes and mix. Then add water. Mix and add the raw noodles. Close the cooker and एक whistle तक हमें इसको cook करना है. Then immediately remove the pressure, open the cooker. Then we have to add few raw veggies. Like here I added julienne carrot, cubed paneer, sweet corn and broccoli. Mix and cook it for 5 minutes or until you get a nice boil. Then just serve it hot. Looks like a good bowl of ramen. Let's taste it. This is quite nice. Noodles are cooked perfectly. It has a nice bounce to it. The soup is actually very close to a manchow soup, just a bit more sweet and lighter. I would say veggies are nice and crunchy. The paneer is the main hero here, which gives a nice creaminess and richness to the bowl. It's a very quick, hassle-free 1-pot recipe and it's perfect for this cold weather. It's definitely a hit for me. Our next hack is a macaroni pasta soup. For that, in a pan, add oil, then add chopped ginger, chopped onion and saute for a minute. Then add water. Then add red chili sauce, vinegar, soy sauce and mix it well. Then add macaroni pasta. Let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Now add black pepper powder, salt and mix. Then I added few chopped veggies like carrots, sweet corn, yellow bell pepper and cabbage. Mix it well. Then add corn flour slurry. For this I mixed 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 1/4 cup of water. This is going to be a thickening agent. Mix and let it boil for more 2 to 3 minutes. Then serve it hot. Looks decent. थोड़ा ना मुझे ये mess वाला soup bowl लग रहा है. I don't know why. Anyways, let's taste it. Okay, it's way better than it looks. मैंने ना काफी साल पहले सोया सॉस पास्ता बनाया था फिर चाइनीज क्लाइंट होटल में. ये एग्जैक्टली वैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है एंड तभी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा था. अभी मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है बट आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट स्पेशली एंड हैव इट अगेन. आई ऑनेस्टली प्रेफर पास्ता विद थिक सॉसेस. इतने पतले सॉस मतलब ये सूप के साथ ना काफी मैक्रोनी डोई लग रहा है. सूप का टेस्ट तो अच्छा है. इट्स लाइक मंचाओ सूप ओनली. इफ यू लाइक दिस कॉम्बिनेशन यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट बट समवेयर फॉर मी me, it was a mess. I hope you enjoyed all the recipes. I had a blast making and eating them. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also comment below this soup emoji for a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Love Kumar, Pratishta Chauhan and Wowsome Reaction. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.